Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. Soul Search Gurus, good morning. Jim Ray's NP, Almighty, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's it going, everybody? Let's do this. Let's do this. Looks like it looks like the market is the daily chart don't look so good. The daily chart don't look so good. What a sell-off in the overnight. Wow. Today I don't know what to expect from today. This is kind of crazy. All right, market is open. Sorry, I'm a little bit late to stream here. Peter Schaap, good morning. And it looks like we are just heading lower. Get the women and kids out. Was there some kind of news in the overnight session? Hey, good morning, Brass Donkey. Good morning, Rad Poker. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, good morning. How is it going, folks? Trump comments? For real, Kid Poker? What happened? I've been sleeping. I've been sleeping in the overnight. I'm not privy to what's going on. All right, getting a little bit of a bounce here. Are we going to just keep going higher? Or are we going to bounce? I mean, are we going to bounce off of this? Or are we just going to rip this thing to lows? Does feel like it wants to bounce here, maybe? I don't know. Nope. No news needed. Market just stupid. Stupid high levels. Yeah, that's true. No, it don't need no excuse to go lower. Same as it doesn't need any excuses to go higher, right? I mean, I was looking at the daily last night and I was thinking to myself, man, these doji candles here, we could be going lower. And I wake up this morning and the move has already happened. I was going to kind of be a little bit bearish today, but now I'm not really sure. It's kind of hard to be jumping in on this. Hmm. All right, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. It definitely, I am kind of expecting this to go higher. You know, maybe test the 380s, 370s before we go lower, but I don't know, man. That's a big sell-off in the overnight. Well, how many points is this? We opened at basically the 600s. So that's a big sell-off. That's a 360 point sell-off. 360 point sell-off in the overnight. Ay. I don't know how to play that. I don't know how to play that move, but don't really want to get long. And I also don't really want to get short at the bottom here. Which means we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, who keeps calling me? Huh? Wow, look at these big moves lower. Sorry, I'm catching up on an email here I need to get sent out. Wangard Wood. What? All right, I'm caught up. I'm caught up on emails. Caught up on emails. All right, guys, what's up? Sorry for ignoring the chat. How we doing? Red Clay Trader, good morning. Perfect Play, good morning. Scalping with Tom, Kurt Nichols, good morning, good to see you. Design, good morning, Design Knob, how we doing? Feel like we just need to short. I think we need to really look at taking a short entry as anytime we touch the EMA, and probably need to do that until proven otherwise, because today is going to be a volatile day. I think that much we can assume that much. Hey, Cone Killer, good morning. Good morning. Martin Conrad, is the Apex $40 eval, $85 lifetime PA still valid? Yes, it is. You can activate your 150, 250, and 300K accounts until August 15th. You can activate them for $85 lifetime fee. The 80% off sale is only, as of now, it's only good until end of July, which, you know, Apex is always extending sales, so take that for what it's worth. All right, we're right here at the 220s. Are we going to get a bounce? Looks like it. I also forgot to check the news. Hang on. I don't think there's any news today. Nope. No news to speak of. All right, market. It looks like we just keep going lower. I really need to get comfortable with shorting this market. I really need to. Margaret's getting an anal fee. Yeah, that's right, Sharoos. Good morning, Sharoos. Rosie Rose in the house. Good morning, good morning. Cone Killer, Lawrence, Martin. Good morning, everyone. For all those that haven't chatted yet in the chat, good morning to you as well. Okay, the Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speaks in 20 minutes. Okay. Of course, always a Fed speaker every day. Then we have tomorrow we have unemployment claims at 8:30. Pretty uneventful. Then we have core retail sales from Canada on 8:30 Friday. So not really the rest of the day, the rest of the week, not anything in major news coming out. Man, oh man. Now every little move higher, we're just immediately selling off. I need to just watch. I need to wait and be patient here. 15-minute opening range has now been set. We basically opening range highs the 281, opening range low is the 210s, which is right where we're at. Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, see if we can kind of see any major areas of resistance, support. So right here at the 200s, we could definitely see some support. The major support level is going to be the 20,000s. Obviously, that's pretty evident. I don't know. We might get down to 20,000 today. We might. That wouldn't be a shocker at all. And trying to make a move again here. What a day. Oh, I'm not kidding, guys. I still have this annoying fly buzzing around my head. I'm so sick of it. But I cannot catch this fly. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Fly is like a ninja. NDX is at 20,000. Yeah, NQ down 340 points. I know, Kid Poker. We were just talking about that. It's crazy. Good morning, Kid Poker. Orlando, good morning. Soul Search Guru, Rob Strawford, good morning. Camber Trades, how we doing, Camber? Good to see you. Good morning. Oh, man. Oh my gosh, I didn't get filled. All right, I'll take that. Quick scalp. Man, it's very volatile. It always makes me nervous when it's this volatile to be trading, but market is putting up a fight. The bulls are putting up a fight, though, here at this 220 level. Putting up a fight. Okay, now we might be looking at going higher. Man, it's very volatile. It's always deceptive when you have big moves like this. The volatility is a little deceptive because it looks like the moves aren't that big, but they actually are. It was a quick scalp, Sharu. That was a quick one. Oh, you have jury duty camera trades? Oh man. Oh man. I feel for you, man. That's something I've never had. I've never done that. Okay, here we go. At the 220s again. Are we going to rip through? Man, it's so tempting to go short here. It wouldn't be for the 220 level right here. I'd take this short, but it kind of feels like it might want to bounce off of this level, so I'm going to wait. Yeah, I think it's going to bounce here. Yeah, man, I wish I would have just taken the short. Let's see if we make new lows here. See if we make new lows. I know camera trades, but I'm looking at taking shorts because it's kind of funny because last night I opened all my charts and I was looking at the daily chart and I was like, these big doji candles, big wicks, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, man, tomorrow might be a big red day and I've got to mentally get ready to short the market tomorrow. And I come to my chart this morning and we already dropped 300 points. So I'm like, how am I supposed to trade that now? But I do still feel like it's short trades is what we got to look for. I've turned into a perma bear. Look at me go. I would not want to be on a jury. Who am I to judge someone? Yeah, that is a difficult position to be in. I think the biggest thing on a jury is you just got to do your job, if that makes any sense. What evidence is presented, and the other thing is the person is innocent and they have to prove he's guilty. We assume innocence and they have to prove that whoever is guilty. And I feel like that is something that is so difficult to do in today's age because it seems like everyone is always just, as soon as something comes out about someone, then immediately people assume guilt. Like they just assume that they're guilty without actually, and that's difficult. I've been accused of some things that haven't been true and that people then take as the gospel, and it's not fun. But wow, look at that. We failed to make new lows here. That is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting, I tell you. And now it looks like we're going to break through this 240s here. Possibly. Man, oh man, do I have the nerve to go long? Ugh, I'm not doing it. I'm sticking with my original game plan of not shorting or not going long here. Another record high for the Dow. What the heck is wrong with the Dow? No, it's not. You're kidding me. What? I must be missing something. Black coffee. Are you sure about that? I might not be looking at the right thing here, though. I have no idea. Gold. Oh, okay. What's gold looking like? Wow, look at that. Oh, I see now what's happening. I need to unlink. I keep having these linked, and that's why they're not on the right instrument. Sorry, guys. Let me unlink these. So this is supposed to be on oil. Oh, wow. Look at oil. Holy. Oil making a move. Okay, now gold. This one should be gold. This one should be... Oh my gosh, you scared me. You little shorty, you. No. Hey, you.
I need to watch plays.
You want to watch plays?
No,
Yeah,
I don't like plays.
Okay, I take that back, Black Coffee. I was looking at the wrong chart. Yeah, that is new highs. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Wow, look at this move. Man, oh man. All right, hang on. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Is trading halted? Not for me, it's not. It's getting very choppy here at the bottom. I'm going to wait till we officially break out to the upside or we go lower before I take any more trades here. Man, I want to short this so bad. I'm going to be patient. Somehow today I just officially switched to a perma bear. I'm not sure how I did it. Tradevate having issues again? Oh, you don't say. It's unfortunate. Now. See if we break through here. Is it gonna go? No way we bounce again here, right? Oh, yep, there it went. Yeah, we ripped through we went down to the 196s, but that was a quick move higher. That could be a trap for the shorts. Never mind. We're going lower. We are going lower. Like it's nobody's business. Wow. Look at this move. Down through the 180s. I should have. I was so close to doing a sell stop order right below these lows and trading this breakout. I should have. I should have just. I should have just done that. But what was that? Hey, good morning, digital. We're going. There's blood in the water, folks. Get the women and kids. Get them out. Women and kids first. Get them out now. This is looking like a disaster day. From the 200s down to the 170s in a blink of an eye. Lots of selling. Lock the door behind you. I could see us break the 20,000s today, for sure. All right, what kind of levels do we? I mean, the 160s here could, but I mean, this is looking like a free for all. Oh. Here we are at the 160s now, just continuing to sell off. Don't really have a place to get in. Man, that makes me a little. If I was just a little more aggressive here, I would have entered right here the 204s. But we're going to be patient because we know this thing can rip 30 points, 40 points up in a split second. See if we get a bounce here. Getting that big, getting this big bounce. This is where it's so dangerous to try to just chase. This is where... Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning, good morning. Hey, I hope you guys are making money today. Hope you guys are short. Hey, Speed Racer, good morning, good morning. What is a doji candle? I mean, the doji candle basically just shows, like, if you look at the daily chart, this candle right here just shows a lot of selling pressure toward the end of the day. That's really what it represents on the daily. Wow, look at that. New lows, just boom. New lows. Wow. Man, I'm sad that I'm not more aggressive on these shorts, but... Man, oh man. NQ might go to 0. I'm going to go out on a limb and say NQ probably won't make it to 0 today. But you know what? I don't know anything. Hindsight is 2020. That is true. Mr. Bobo, good morning. No, but I always think about it like this. If this was reversed and we would be going, like if I would inverse my chart, I would be going long. I would have gone long right here and probably here. Like we had a weak test, like it would have been a good entry right there. The 170s or on a short. But it's all right. We're going to chill. The thing is with this kind of sell-off, it is so volatile that if you don't have your entries correct, you can lose money going short. It's hard to believe, but it's possible. Oh, but so far today, so far on all of my accounts, I haven't taken one long trade. Just shorts. Only going short so far today, and it's working out. I could have held all of my trades. I could have held for 60 ticks instead of 22 ticks, and I would have been fine. All right, here we are at the 120s. There's just no stopping this train. No stopping, man. Look at the daily chart now. Like this is a boop. Just that is a crazy sell-off. Crazy. But we've now dropped in the overnight session from the 600s. We're down to the 100s. So we're getting close. We're at a 500-point move lower from the opening session last night. So you're going to have to think we're going to get a bounce here somewhere. And we're back. All right, we're getting a bounce off the 100s here finally. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to switch to micros and see if we can't get a little bigger move. Maybe we get up here to the 160 area again. The candles are barely fitting on your screen. Yeah. Hey, good morning, Neo. Good morning. How we doing? I got to improve holding my trades. Yeah, Jonathan, same. I know the feeling. But I will say I usually, like days like today, I do want to work on getting better at holding my trades longer. I feel like if I enter micros, then I can do that. And we're going to... Whoa, I didn't even have a chance to move my target. All right, I'm going to look for a move to the lows here. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not really going to use this as my stop loss, but it'll be a fluid stop loss. All right, we need some follow through here. Follow through to the downside, not the upside. I might just kill this and look to re-enter. Yeah, I'm going to get out and... Come on now, go higher. I want to get in again up here. Oh man, you kidding me? Don't tell me I bailed to... I'm disappointed now. Now I might miss the move. Just... I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Should have just held it. Should have just held it. I don't know what I was doing. Now it's kind of difficult to jump back in. Okay, this does look like the buyers. Looks like buyers are trying to step in. Yeah, okay, we're good. Let's just wait. It's definitely looking... Buyers are definitely stepping in here. Man, I got a cough this morning. Yes, I am switching between micros and minis. Jim Bob McGee. Yes, I am. All right, I'm going to go in again here. I might have jumped the gun here. Dang it. I might have jumped the gun here. If I'm worried Apex will say I'm inconsistent. No. You can change size. You just can't go from 10 to 1 and have huge differences in your profit swings. I don't like this. We're just not seeing that follow through on the sellers. We're just not seeing it. Might need to kill this. Come on. You gotta be kidding. This is where I need to be patient. Come on. I might need to kill it. Okay, there we go. Now, we need to see follow through here. Come on. Big red boner candle. Come on. All right, I'm going to move my stop to here. Just need to see some follow through here. Come on. It just, that's rough. We're just not seeing, we're not seeing the follow through on the selling. Come on. Where are the sellers at? Where are the bears at? Where are the bears at? Get in here. Rip it. Dump this. Dump it. Flush it. Go. Flush it. Flush it. I'm trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient, but it's getting difficult. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Flush it. Come on. I'm going to trail my stop and just not let this go against me. The sellers are just not. And it's going to stop me out. I don't know. I'm okay with it, I guess, but just not seeing a follow through on the selling. Yeah, I think this is going higher. I think now we just look for our next entry is going to be at the 170, 175. The YM is making new highs. Are you serious? Hey, let's go, Orlando. You pass another 50K. Let's go. Micro level marked at 160. Copy. Yeah, that's. Hang on, who's calling me? Now it's a nobody. All right. I mean, I don't know how I feel about this. This looks good now again. Yeah, this looks like it. I might have just got out of here a little bit too early. Okay, now we're getting a little bit better continuation. See if it continues to follow through here. I think my target would have been hit by now. I think. Trying to get a bounce now. See if we test those lows. This is, man, I said I'm not going to go long today, but right here would be the place to do it. We failed again. This trapped the shorts right here. This is 100% a trap. I don't know. Apparently nothing will stop YM. I want to see YM again. Holy cow. What is wrong with YM? Does YM not understand that the market is going lower? That's impressive. I'm impressed. There goes NQ trying to rally. Man, I wonder, where did I have my target set at? I don't remember. Rotation out of tech into value. That's not a, that's kind of a good point. I didn't think about that, Matty Matt, but you might have something there. And right back down. Wow. I think I need to just be patient here. I think we're going sideways. This is turning into a chop fest. And it's time to just be patient. Sit on my hands. Very choppy here at the 120 level. Is this with Apex, Neo? Yes. I am trading Apex, as you can see right here. Or was that a question on something else? 320 point IB spread on the Dow. I read the news on Financial Juice. I love it, Matty Matt. Trendy Trader, I see. Is anyone experiencing opposite order fills? 2 of my PA accounts lose money instead. Are you using a copy trader, I assume, Trendy Trader? I know a lot of copy traders have reverse, where you can enter reverse positions. So I would assume it's a copy trader issue. Make sure you don't have any of those settings turned on. Fibonacci, I'm watching. Oh, you know what? I do like using Fibonacci levels when we have big moves like this. Let's get the old Fibonacci out. We're going to take it from the session highs. So this is where the fib levels come in at. We've not even gotten close to the 23% retracement yet. We might come test this 260 level at some point today. The question is going to be, are we going to continue lower? little Jimmy Fibonacci. He's a good guy. 983. Oh, you would do it to the 983s? Oh, you're saying from here. So that's an interesting look at, I guess. We definitely have some support here, the 20,050s. Really, 20,000, obviously going to be some level of support at the 20,000s. Okay, I'm just going to wait. We're just going to sit here and wait and see what this market wants to do now. $19,900 is very key, yeah. You just trade trendy trader. I was using a copy trader, but then I trade only one account by itself, and the same thing happens. What? How? Explain again, trendy trader, exactly what happens. Nice, Orlando. Got a question. I had set some risk management limits on my Tradevate platform, but I'm on Apex. Do I have to wait until Apex unlock my account to trade again? Is it one that you set manually on Tradevate? I didn't know you could do that. But I don't use Tradevate that much, so I'm not that familiar with it. Do I have to wait until Apex unlock my account to trade again? Ooh, we broke out above, folks. Hold on. Above the 160s. Now we just got to hang on and wait. We just got to wait here. We got to wait because... Wouldn't that be crazy if the market retraced that whole move? Hey, Octopus. Good morning. Good morning. Mertz. Good morning. Any recommendations for a trade copier? You use NinjaTrader or Ninja and Rhythmic? I mean, I do feel like Rhythmic or the Replicanto trade copier is pretty legit. I use the Affordable Indicators one. Every trade copier, I think, has its issues. I would not recommend using the Apex one. I don't know. I've just not heard good things, so I wouldn't recommend that one. But there's also some other ones. Well, I guess if you're using Ninja, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I do feel like Replicanto is probably as legit as anyone. You called Apex, but no one is able to take my call. Yeah, you're going to have to, you're Red Clay Trader. You have to submit a ticket. But I have not, which I don't really know that much about Tradevate. I didn't even know that you could set your risk parameters in Tradevate on your own. I wasn't aware that you could even do that. I bought some evals, 150K when the promo was on and blew them. Can I reset or is it not worth it? Octopus, so before you reset them, check when your rebilling date is. And if it was 150K that was bought last month, then you're probably better off canceling that account and buying a new one, because right now you can get a new 150K account for $40. So check when the rebilling date is. Make sure you cancel before that, because I'm pretty sure if you bought that when the promo wasn't going, you would pay more than the $40 currently. I'm pretty sure. So you can, Red Clay Trader. Very interesting. You took a trade on NQ long, just trading one account. Made it hit my target of $100, but I ended up losing $10. Something is majorly wrong, Trendy Trader. That does not make any sense. I feel like you almost need to screen record if that is happening, because I've never heard of that ever happening. Something doesn't seem right. Something on your... I wonder if the copy trader or something, but if you're just trading it on your own... I get the other thing, trendy trader, make sure you don't have multiple copy trader windows open. Make sure you actually have them closed, because if you have multiple ones open, it will activate on all of them, or it will duplicate them. No problem, Octopus. TradeAvate has been having some issues lately. Yeah, they have been. I agree. So I'm not quite sure. I'm not sure what to think. It happened a few times. Now, one thing I've noticed is, like, if you have an ATM strategy and it's getting very close to hitting your take profit, and then you go to close the account, sometimes that will put you in a reverse position, because basically what's happening is it's hitting your take profit, and at the same time you're hitting close, which will basically submit a sell order. So then you're going to be in a reverse position. I've had that happen to me. So be aware of that. But yeah, I'm not sure. Compare the price on your chart versus something else like TradingView. Actually, yeah, true. Up, down, left, right. Yeah, make sure you're not getting a delayed feed or something. Yeah, I don't know. That's weirdly weird. Took some good trades early and my balance didn't move. Then I realized I was on a sim account. Oh, no shot. Oh, almighty. That is the worst. Oh, no. Okay, market. This is looking like we need... I mean, it's still way too early to be thinking that we need to go long. But I want to be very careful going short. Hey, Tay certified. Good morning. How you doing? Good to see you. It's been a while. Carngill, good morning. Good morning. Jeff, good morning. Instead of hitting close, I right click on my Ninja Trader right column, select flatten all. Yes, Jeff, I think that works. I think that is better. Yes. Lost 500 Friday thinking I was in a practice account. No shot, JMB. Oh, that's the worst. I don't know what would be worse, thinking you're in a sim account and then losing money, but you're actually in a funded account. Or would it be worse thinking you're in a funded account and you make money, but you're actually in a sim account? Which one is worse? Hey, that's good to see, Tay. T certified. Yeah, good to see you. Hope everything's going well. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. It's worse if you make money, but you actually didn't make money. I almost feel like that would be worse for me. Especially if you're like, oh, this is a perfect setup for me. And you just enter a perfect execution and you're patient and it hits your profit target and you're just like, good job, Nutty. And then you look and you realize you're on the wrong account. I feel like that's worse. Yeah, these two red candles, that's the thing with these kind of breakouts. I feel like lately trading breakouts is a bad idea. Getting a lot of retracements. Hey, good morning, Mitch Marvin. Good morning. When our payout sent out as not received my invitation email for my first ever payout international. Did you set up your international payment on Apex, Mitch Marvin? You have to go into the payments all the way to the bottom, set up your international payment. I think it's done through I think it's Wise. I always get it mixed up, but I think it's Wise that you set up for international payments. Yeah, you're celebrating at Wendy's, but then you realize it was just a sim account. Feels bad. That really feels bad. Man, this double top right here is... I'm going to take this short. Mm. I might have been a little bit too soon here. Yeah, this is not going to be a good trade, I don't think. Just to, I guess the sellers are just still in. I'm going to get stopped out here. Maybe. Come on, Bears. I think it's doing the slow grind higher now, is what it's looking like. Every little pullback is just immediately getting bought up. I don't like this trade anymore. I'm just getting out. And now we're going to tank. If this rips lower now, then that's a trigger. That's a warning that I need to be. I might need to take a little walk in the park. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to take a walk. Wow. Wow. That was dumb. That was dumb. I absolutely hate when I trade this way. I don't know why I still do it. Oh, guys, we're going to have to take... This is not cool, man. Not cool at all, market. Absolutely zero reason to bail on that trade. No reason. Other than me just being impatient and thinking that I can predict the market. That's the reason I bailed. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. Unreal. I can't believe I cut that trade. Unbelievable. I should have waited. I mean, I was looking at this double top where we were struggling to get above. We were struggling to get above the 170s, and this 170 area was an area of like I wanted to right here. Like this is what it was basically support resistance trade, really. And that's why I entered, had my stop right here, totally fine, nothing wrong with it. And I think the reason I bailed was just because of how close it was to hitting my stop. I was about 4 ticks away from getting my stop hit. And I think that's what triggered me into just getting out of the trade as soon as I got close to break even. But right there, from the 160s to the 140s or the 120s, that's a 120 tick trade that I just sacrificed for no reason. Nobody can see the future. I know. That's why I should stick to my original. That's always how I think of it. If I'm trading what I see, then I trade it. And then it's one of two things. Like I just need to accept my losses and then be patient. Just let the trade work. Let the trade do its thing and not outsmart it. Not try to outsmart my trade. Just let it work. If I just let it work here, we're done. We're probably done trading for the day, to be honest. And now I'm just frustrated. Because this is always what I remind myself of when I do this. But I still have a tendency to do it like once a week. Like, I always think of it like this. Right there, I took a $14 loss. I was risking $140. I would much rather right now have gotten stopped out than having cut this trade early to just then see the trade be would have been a perfect trade. I should write down the comments to stop repeating the mistakes. Yeah, I agree. It's just more of it seems like I need to continue, like, I don't know. I just need to, it's one of those things where I have to keep reminding myself how I feel. Like when I'm thinking of cutting a trade early, I need to remind myself of how I will feel if the trade actually ends up working out. Because I'm actually okay taking the loss. That's not as big of a deal. But what will get me more upset is cutting my trade early to then have it work out perfectly how I wanted it to work out. And that's the mindset, and I need to keep those thoughts in my head if I'm considering cutting a trade early. That's the difference. Because if I'm thinking about that, then usually I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I'm okay just taking the loss. And I'm okay. I do not want to just cut this trade early. But yeah, I don't know how I prevent it. But it's that to me is so much more frustrating than taking a losing trade. So frustrating. Because not only that, but now I feel like I don't have I just don't even feel like I can even take another trade because the move has passed me by. Wear a shock collar? Yeah, I'm down, John. We need a shock. I wear a shock collar, and then I will have a command in chat, like !shock. And then if someone types that in, it'll shock me. I would be dead within a week, 100%. Don't wear it around my neck. Where? I don't. You know what? Don't answer that. Don't answer that. Oh, I'm so upset. All right, let's see. Let's see if we go make new lows here. I would be dead the first day. Very funny, Dylan. You never know. You never know. Is anyone having trade of 8 freezing up with Apex? I did see a couple people mentioning something about trade of 8 freezing. Oh, you were gonna say put it on my wrist? I mean, I would, yeah, maybe. I guess that would work as well. All right, getting a move now. Getting a move higher. We did not make new lows. Very interesting. I mean, you have to think that we're going to go test the 20,000 level today, but you would think we were going to go to the 20,000s today, but who knows? Maybe not. Wait, Trade of 8 is having widespread issues. Will be fixed by 5 p.m. Central Time. Okay. Thanks for that, Dylan. Strong feeling based on past performance, we will get a big spike to test the VWAP. Whoa, at 258? Oh man, that's a big move. That's a big move if we do. Not saying we won't, but now I just want to see, are we actually not gonna make new lows here? I feel like we will. Today I'm focusing on trading my 50K accounts and my 150K accounts. Past results are not indicative of future. Yeah, that's very true. What's another 500 points? I mean, 600 point move lower. I mean, it's pretty crazy how big of a move we've already had, but I don't know, man. Man, I'm still upset about that trade. Unbelievable. All right, looks like we might look to go higher here. I don't know. It's very interesting if this doesn't make a new low. We might just go sideways or grind higher. Maybe we need to look for longs. If this doesn't make new lows, we might have to look to go long here. Or at least look for some long opportunities. Scares me a little bit. I need to go get some water. I will be right back. We're back. How Apex works, like, is it like other prop firms? Yes, Joe. Yeah, I mean, relatively speaking, it's the same thing. Yes. I mean, there's different rules, stuff you need to be aware of, but it still does work the same way. You're up 2 million on lean hogs. Let's go. We love our lean hog traders here. Man, this is like teasing me to go long. It's teasing. But I really have no business going long here. Just gotta wait. Man, I gotta stop thinking about that other trade. Trader. Very funny, traders chick. We have our first shock of the session. Oh man, that's too funny. That's too funny. All right, market, tell me what you're doing. Oh, the longer this fails to make new lows, the more that I'm thinking I should go long. But at the same time, I feel like it just wants to trap me and then laugh in my face and like, haha, I got you. You know, that's what the market wants to do. Oh, yep, new low coming. I believe it is. I feel like also doing a sell order right here could be an opportunity, but very risky to trade these breakouts. Let's just wait. We chillin'. Did we make new lows? I think we did by about a tick. Yeah, here we go. Everybody hold on. Let's see what this market's going to do. She ripping. See if she wants to go. I need to... What am I... Yeah, it's hanging out. It is not wanting to make new lows, but wow, look at that. Oh, don't trade, Nutty. Don't trade. Don't trade. Not gonna trade. Yeah, I know, Carngill. Everyone put me in shock. I'll be dead. That's what I said. I'll be dead within a week. Oh, good times, good times. Yeah, we're getting these little fake outs. I'm not falling for it. At least not yet. Knock on wood. This has been one day, though, I will say. This has definitely been a day where coming into the day, I was totally just trying to focus on shorts. And I do feel like it at least, even though we don't have a crazy green day, it's at least prevented me from having a big red day. So, and on my other accounts, I'm actually trading pretty decent. Having a pretty decent day right now. I'm trying to focusing on trading my 150K accounts today. I don't know that. Yesterday traded the 250K accounts. Now today trade the 150K accounts. I don't know. I should. How many 150Ks do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 150Ks, and then we have 6 250Ks and 3 50Ks. The thing that's nice about the 50Ks, we're almost at the same drawdown as we are on 150K for 2 of these accounts. Now I just need to, the key is capital preservation. Not get too crazy the rest of the day. All right. This is kind of weird because this is now a double bottom. We didn't really make new lows, just a double bottom right at the 2100s. She's going to be an area of support. I don't know. Maybe we do. Maybe we rip this thing back up. I could see it happening. We all know that NQ loves to rip it. She likes to rip it. Now we're right here at this EMA. Yeah, Steven, which that can be a sign that we go higher, but that can also be a sign that it's going to trap those buyers. And then if we trap them, things could get very ugly very quickly. Like right now, like this is where it can trap the longs and cause some pain. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. This is why it's trapping. Right now, the market is trapping the longs. So tempting to short, but see, we make new lows here. Maybe we just double bottom again. I don't see us double bottoming again. I think this thing is ripping right through it. Maybe we double bottom again. Maybe. You just never know. Wow, it might actually double bottom again right off the hundreds. That's crazy. Bye, says Ace Undercover. I don't know, man. I'm scared. I'm scared to buy. If this goes below the 100s, look out. Look out below. But I will say, it does look pretty promising it does. I mean, if we can't get below the 100s, you got to think we're going to make a move up into the one, you know, maybe even 200s. But right now, it's a risky. I guess it would be a pretty low risk trade. You could get in here, stop right below the 100s. Oh man, I'm talking myself into it. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna be okay with the result. I'm just gonna be okay with the results. If we get stopped out here, we get stopped out. This is 100%. This is gonna rip to new lows. Yep, it's coming to get me. Again, we tested the hundreds. Again. I should never have entered this trade. I'm having second thoughts. Hold on, folks. This is gone. Yep, there she goes. Now, it might have wicked it. It's not cool if that happens. Look at that. Got shot in the tick. Look. Mom. The market's being mean. That was rough. That was rough. Look at that. Really? I might need to shut it down for the day. This is getting me upset. Unbelievable. Look at this BS. I want to fight. I want to fight. This is absolutely pathetic. You have got to be kidding me right now. There's no way this is real, right? There's no way this is real. No shot. This is so upsetting. Unbelievable. Am I living in a simulation? Am I living in a simulation here? Look at this. I'm pretty sure this is not legal. Unbelievable. There's just no way. There's no way this is real. Unbelievable. Actually, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now I'm definitely need to shut it down. That actually made me mad. Like legit. If I know if Trade Evade is fixed, I do not. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm gonna call the SEC again. You know what I need to do, guys? Give me just a second. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Those were 20 pounds, by the way. Ooh. I still can't believe. Mm. Guess we're just trading in a range. Unbelievable. Hang on. Hmm. We're going to have a muted stream the rest of the outing. You know what? Have you ever had your mom tell you if you don't have anything good to say, then just don't say anything at all? That's the stage we're in right now. Okay? That's where we're at. No talking. Mm. My God. I'm gonna go take a walk. I'll be back. Wow. Talk about a day just going completely to crap because of one trade. One stupid trade. Oh my gosh. It's so upsetting. Oh, not even upset. I mean, I'm upset I didn't walk away when I was on tilt right here. Should have walked away and I didn't. That's what I'm upset about. But yeah, it's time to shut her down. I'm not gonna trade. If I keep trading, we could blow this account today if we keep going. No need to do that. It's just a frustrating day. Oh my gosh. And on a good note, I do need to mow my lawn, so mowing my lawn will be good. Will be a good therapy session. Good therapy session. Oh, so many things I could have done differently. Oh man. Haha, you were watching the stream 15 minutes behind and commenting. Talk about hindsight trading. We need a mowing POV. No, I need some time to myself. I definitely need a good mowing session today. Oh, I'm just so upset that I didn't. Shoulda, coulda, wouldas. One bad trade and put me over the edge. And I should have just walked away when that happened. And I knew I should have, and I didn't. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. All right, guys, I'm going to end the stream here. And yeah, we'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow, but I need to shut it down for the day. This is very frustrating. Yeah, right now I'm not terrible. I took one account on a revenge binge trading session, but it's not terrible. Still green overall, but doesn't feel like it. Wow, look at this, just continuing to go. All right, I really do need to end out. I need to go. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate everyone's support. Take care. Hope you all have a better day than I did.